Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your internet speed. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to open your taskbar. So let's open the taskbar. From here, you need to click performance. Now you can see there is a option Wi-Fi. So you have to click here. Now you have to open a browser. You can use any browser. Here I will use Firefox. From here, you have to type first.com. So as you can see, first.com. You have to press enter here. Now when you click here, it will show your internet speed. If you see your taskbar in Wi-Fi option, you will also see your internet speed. So as you can see, two speeds are very similar. If we run it again, you will see it again. So let's run it again. As you can see, both speed are very similar. This is how you can test your internet speed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.